Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks. I'm Anitas. That's Jack over there.
Hello.
That's Letty and Jack's mom over there.
Hello.
And today we're going to do something a little different because apparently everybody who watches us enjoy questionable foods. Talking to you, dollar steak. Hurts my stomach just thinking about it. So today we went to the store to get all our stuff for the regular recipes, and we stumbled down the candy store because I'm a fat guy and I'm attracted to it. So we went down there and we found that our local has a foreigner imported or different candy thing that we don't see everywhere. So we're gonna try some of this stuff, man. We're gonna taste it and see what all this stuff is about, see if it's worth it or not, see if it's good or if it's bad. So let's get into it. Before we do, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell stuff, and let's start. Okay, so we got a lot to start with. This is our Alamo candy company stuff. That's our sour chili balls, cherry bombs, which are pretty good. And these things, man, we're gonna try it, the Chinese candy. Now we got the big mango something. What was it?
Mango Moy.
Mango Moy. The manzanita.
It's apple
things.
slices.
And tub o chamoy with tamarind in it. There's our Lucas stuff, which I'm used to those little shakers, man. So it was weird. That one's solidified.
I don't even know what that is, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, apparently it's got a gumball in it or something like that. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, so one of these is a local company. We wanted to try it out. It's the Alamo candy stuff. I think I got some stuff from them before that was like salty before and it was good. It was supposed to be in beer. Whatever.
That's a bit different from candy.
Depends on what kind of beer and what you do with it afterwards. When you're drunk, it all tastes like candy. And then Lucas is stuff we grew up with, man. It was like the salty powder stuff.
Yeah, I remember it was just like lime salt. That's all it used to be.
These
Now
other
it's
ones,
fancy.
man. I don't even speak German, so I don't know what the hell they say. Where do you want to start, man? You want to do Lucas, the local stuff, or the stuff we can't read?
Let's start with the stuff we can't read.
Okay, so I want to try the
Manzanitas.
Manzanitas Cone Chile.
Lady, you want to translate?
Other than you butchered it,
It's an apple. You don't have to butcher an apple. You butcher animals.
I want to take it
Yeah.
closer. Look, it's not focusing. Focus.
Looks like the world's most baked up donut. That's,
yeah,
It's apple
not gonna
slice.
look good
I'm pretty sure it's an apple
not.
slice.
Oh,
Oh, God, yeah.
motherfucker. Whoa. That's not my jaw. My jaw.
Hurts really hard.
Oh,
Horrible.
That's
there's
right.
an apple in there
wow.
somewhere?
I'm so grateful
I
I'm doing
don't
and
know.
not
I can't
doing.
read it.
Oh,
Are those bad or what?
Yeah, it's apple.
well, I didn't taste no apple.
It's dehydrated apples.
Bugger. Didn't taste any chili either. It was just all salt. You want the rest of mine?
Okay.
I think I'm going to put mine over here. That'll be my pile O.
It's really strong.
Yeah. My jaw still hurts. I'm way too white for that kind of stuff, I think, is what it is.
Jack's got that Whitaker eye going.
Alright, I'm going to cleanse the old palate with water. The eternal solvent there.
I thought I could take a bite out of that. Ooh, hell no. I threw the whole thing in.
Oh, I took a bite out of it and it hurt my teeth.
Nope.
Okay. So, this other one is mango.
Mango Moy. I'm
Mango
assuming it's
Moy.
mangoes and
Chamoy.
chili. I don't know.
I like chamoy, man.
Letty, translate. What's chamoy?
I really don't know how to explain.
What good are you if you can't translate?
Okay, you want to reach in and get that
Yeah, that's a
spoon?
quick way to get on the couch.
It comes with its own little bitty backed up spoon. You want?
Nah, we ain't using that.
Yeah.
What are those?
I think it's a mango ball covered in chamoy,
Take a bite,
which
find
isn't
out.
bad. I'm just gonna go whole hog, just get all the goop that goes with it.
Jesus.
I'm drooling on my
Take a
face.
bite of one.
That's thick.
Oh Jesus!
Cheers.
You know, I don't want to say what this looks
You're
like,
big.
but it looks like.
Hey, I got my red wing.
yeah.
Got my chamoy. More water. And a big old water. Woo!
It tastes like mango.
Uh-huh.
It's got that going for it.
I got the mango part eventually. Woo! Woo!
Not a fan.
Okay, that's for this. Won't leave my spoon.
You know, the spoon has that stuff on it too.
I'm trying to clean in it.
Ugh.
Woo! Oh, making my nose twitch. I feel like a
chilling out.
cokehead, like my nose is itching. Oh, okay.
Should we have a Kleenex break?
This stuff is sweet. And you're up here dying. Mm.
Oh, I might have still had some apple in my tooth or something.
Really?
Okay. We're just on a roll. Tamarindo chamoy. Now, this is just a bucket of goop.
I'm sure you put that goop on fruit.
Well, I mean, is there stuff in it? I mean, look at this. Look, so this is like a paint bucket of whatever. Like you want to just take a shot of it. I don't want to pour it all over the place. Just take a shot of whatever the hell this is. I'll stick my... Okay, there's no chunks or balls or nothing in it. It's just...
I'm pretty sure you put like fruit.
All right, well, we got fruit, man.
You want to put it on an orange? Because I sure as hell don't want to.
We have bananas.
I don't like bananas, but...
I like bananas. I don't want to put that on
come on, you
like.
just want to just do a shot of this with
you
me?
don't know if you like it.
Just get you... It'll probably cure the coronavirus.
I ain't getting
We have shot
I ain't getting a
glasses somewhere.
spoonful like
Come
you.
on,
But,
come on. In for a penny, in for a pound, man.
Yeah. You put that on fruit.
God. Well, you probably put it on bad, too. Whew. Oh, I usually get, like, my shaved ice. Well, chili and chamoy. But it doesn't taste like this.
Looking forward to these other.
Like this. I like to put that on, like,
I've never been
vanilla ice cream.
a chamoy person.
Put that shit on some... No, that sounds like it'd be outstanding. Ooh, or like an orange sickle. Man, like a creamsicle.
You're gonna burn in hell for that. No.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
No.
this before we're done.
No.
All right, so let's keep going. We're gonna, yeah, that's good,
We'll
buddy.
bring that out in a bit.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna do the Lucas stuff.
Yeah, sure.
Here.
Good OG. Almost OG Lucas. This is.
Yeah, this
is-
was just like a little lemon lime thing, right?
Yeah, it started with the lemon lime, then they released the little yellow can, and then the red one.
Oh, and the red one was supposed to be like, yeah.
Yeah, I like the yellow one because it was like a sweet chili kind of thing.
Okay, this
going
one
on.
came with its own sucker. You want the
Yeah.
sucker?
Yeah, sure. I'll take the sucker.
Well, here, I'll give you some of the powder out of there.
Yeah, spoon. Here, I'll let you pour the powder.
Snort it. So you take this stuff, you put it out, you get a credit card or a razor, and you cut it to a fine line, and then you snort it, right? That's how you're supposed to eat, Lucas?
No,
I've been watching the wrong Narcos thing.
bad. Bad.
Okay.
Just
What does it taste like?
inhale.
Yeah, no.
I don't know. I don't know about this.
That's not like, ooh, it's like tasting like sawdust.
It's really. It's not.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, it's like sawdust. It's not like salty or
Ooh,
anything.
New cinnamon challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you like looking fucking bored.
All right, where's the what is this supposed to be in here? I have no idea what that says.
Lucas Mucus.
I have no idea, but that's what this was.
Yeah, that was,
All right, what's
ooh,
this?
that was not good.
What's this other thing? Yeah, I'll pass on that.
Okay, this other one, it's got some kind of gumball in it.
Is that like a liquidy Lucas kind of thing or what?
Oh, it's gummy.
Oh, that is really gummy.
It
Whoa.
comes with
That's
its own
good
applicator thing. All right, you want a spoon? Do you want the gumball? This is supposed to be lemon lime, but that's the only thing I can read
I think
in
I'll
English.
skip out on the gumball, but I'll take
All
a
right.
nice bit.
Should I use the applicator here?
Go for it.
Okay, try this mess.
That's really thick.
Mm-hmm.
Very viscous too.
I'll take some of that.
It's not. It's better than that other thing.
You can taste the
That's more. It reminds me of.
the chamoy stuff, but it's not as strong as the other things are.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's kind of reminds me of the old school yellow
It's thick
Lucas
though.
used to have.
Like,
It is really thick though. You got to get past
I
that.
call
All
dibs.
okay, then let me clean the applicator here.
right, I got it.
No, I'm good with a spoon. I'll be. Thanks for the coronavirus.
What? I cleaned it.
Coronavirus loves you. Remember that. Okay, so
Sesame Street taught me how to share.
all right, do we want to go into whatever the hell that is?
Okay, so the last three are from the Alamo candy thing, and it's from San Antonio, so it's relatively local. As
Are they from San Antonio?
Yeah.
I say they are, but are they?
I don't know. They had Chinese candy.
So the original Chinese candy.
So we got three. So one's salted plums, and the other one's. So you want to start at one end. You want to start with the sour chili balls because those sound outstanding.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and show y'all
Yeah.
what this is supposed to be.
And it's just a wad of chili.
Just a
Oh,
chili
see,
ball.
I got some pickleball from them once, and they were good, but they were really
Close.
strong. So I don't know about the
Let's see how it's going.
Sour chili ones. All right.
Maybe it's like those pop things. It is not like those pop things.
No. That's well. Oh my god.
That's a lot of chili.
Kids eat that every day. It can't be that bad. I mean, it says sour.
Oh, they weren't mucking around.
Oh my god.
I mean, look, I like this good sour pickles. That's great, but. Ooh. My eyes are watering. I haven't made it to my teeth. It's eating a hole in my stomach as we speak. Ooh. Oh yeah, that.
Okay.
I did what it said on the tin, man. It's sour.
Okay, I know what happened there.
That yellow one.
It's old school Lucas, the lime salt.
Yeah.
Encased in a ball of chili powder. That's what that
Yeah,
was.
like it wasn't bad, and then it split open, and it was just like, oh,
Lucas.
it was like the magic sand crab, like it just kind of fell apart in your mouth. Oh,
Yeah, as soon as you bit into it, it's just like the salt everywhere. Oh,
that
was
my
very
blood pressure is probably shooting up.
yeah.
But that's what it said it was going to do. As a sour chili ball.
I'm scared of these other things after that.
All right, so cherry bomb. These aren't bad. I think I've had a version of these before.
I think I've had something called a cherry bomb, but it was nothing like this.
It's like cherry,
Get you up close.
chili,
Yeah.
whatever. This is another one of the Alamo ones or whatever.
Please don't be filled with chili lime.
We like a cherry shower with the chamoy on it. But it's good. But it's small enough.
Okay.
Please get screenshots of these faces.
That was pleasant.
Yeah. But like
That was
Michael
a
Jackson
hell-
said, if you're going to eat balls, might as well get the little ones so you don't choke on them.
That's,
Easy to swallow.
that's a hell of a lot more pleasant than that last thing.
Yeah, that chili ball is real rough.
Yeah, that's so. All right. So.
All right. So this is the one I'm worried about. This is Chinese candy is what it's labeled. The original Chinese candy.
What makes it the original Chinese candy, you ask?
A really racist joke about what your face does when you put it in there.
I guess.
Yeah. But it's dried salted plums with lemon. I'm wondering what part of this is candy. Oh, it's a fruit. You want to drip it into that other stuff?
Go for it. I'm not, because my stomach is
Yeah, it's
not
already kinda
enjoying this. Oh,
that's huge, man.
I'm not lying. This sucks. I'm spitting this one out.
I wonder if it's even got the seed in there.
Oh, man. It's like
Been
one of
shitting
those
plums
little...
for a month.
Yeah, dried out plums. Here we go.
Oh, come on.
Oh, it
Oh,
tastes
yeah.
like plum with salt.
Oh.
Oh, it's rock hard.
Oh. It's stuck. Whew. It's stuck. Oh.
I don't think I can finish this one. Oh, I couldn't finish that. There's too like solid, and my stomach's like angry at me already.
Strong-willed swallow. Come on, now. Kids eat that.
That was not good.
I was like a salt lick, like just eating that mouthful of bouillon cubes with plum in it.
Oh no.
I can taste that with salt. That's horrible.
We should have saved the sour chili balls for last.
Yeah, there's still more left.
Because these things completely ruined my appetite for anything else.
Okay. Oh. Ball sack. Oh, I got salt stuck in my teeth.
I don't have that problem.
Ooh, it's like a salt lake when you was a kid and they had them out at the farm. And you go out there and like, why is a horse like this? And that's what it tastes like, but with horse spit.
I didn't need that image.
Yeah, it is angry and it's all salt. I'm surprised I'm not having a stroke right now.
Alright.
Okay, so there you have it. We tried the stuff. Some of it's pretty good. Some of it really strong. And some of that, I don't know how you can sell it and say it's candy. I guess that's just a nickname or, haha, I'm going to mess with you.
It's a joke.
Because it's candy. Like even the salty stuff, like if you like drink a beer or something with it, you know, like something that's supposed to be salty, you like put it in a margarita or whatever. Like you see it, but...
Oh shit. I'm going to throw up. I'll see y'all in a bit.
Okay. I'm probably going to follow him. Oh, that was rough. Like we shouldn't do that. But while he's throwing up, I'll finish this then. So there you have it. Put a link down if you want to watch any of our taste test videos. They're down there. Oh, jeez, crow, that's bad. But you can find us on YouTube with like regular recipes, regular videos where we're not doing horrible shit like this. And we're on YouTube all the time. You can catch us when we upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can find us at Instagram at Living Between. Ooh, I was trying to get that extra spit right there. You can also find us on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, or Patreon, or Pinterest. We're working on some stuff for Patreon.
Do not throw it down there.
So if you want to help us out, we very much appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.
Go.
No.